It smells like sweat and spit, but it also smells like there's laughter in the air. And we're standing on the lake, listening to the march band of the grip on the wheel by a great man. On the bus, 50 people miles away from home. On the street, nowhere we can be beat. On the bus, there's something going, shouting low, watching the crow. On the road to victory. Well, I know I've gone wrong, and I know you won't be listening to this song, but I know that you are mine further on down the line. On the bus, 54 miles away from home. On the bus street, no way we can be beat. On the bus, sharing the load, watching the crow, on the road to victory. Let's go, Rick. Well, you can lose, well, you can win. Some people lose and don't learn from it. Or you can be victorious and continue it. On the bus, it's people miles away from home. On the street, nowhere we can be beat. On the bus, turn the load, watching the crow. Sleep on the floor, watch Netflix with the bro. Whatever you do, just don't go home. On the road to victory. On the road, watching the crow. On the road to victory.
I know that guy!
Alright, so it's hard. And then I want to do something. Thank you. I want to do. Hold on, Aaron. You have a lot of hair.
That's not the only place I have hair.
What?